Best part is being able to cook a pizza within 2 minutes, and the hardest part is getting people to make their pizza to bring it to me in time, because the pizzas are coming out so fast. I'm waiting on everybody else to make the pizza to bring it to me so I can cook it. I tried to make one on my own, and it was a complete failure. It was a lot smaller than what I wanted it to be. It didn't cook the way I wanted it to cook. It probably didn't get above 300 degrees. And so we completely destroyed that one and started over again. And that's when I started researching pizza ovens and came across Forno Bravo. So once we got the kit from start to finish, it took about 3 days. Everybody that's seen it absolutely loves it. Like, they come in the backyard and they're like, wow, you know, I love your setup. When can we eat some pizza out of it? So I always get those questions. The enjoyment for me is just as much as starting a fire and getting it going as it is cooking the pizzas and enjoying the time with everybody. So it's a whole experience, really. So you get to make the fire, you get to prep your pizza, you get to make the pizzas. So it's the whole experience that makes it so enjoyable for everybody.